15-year-old boy nabbed after gun attack on men playing dominoes. 16-year-old shot dead allegedly by ex-boyfriend in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 15-year-old boy from Rumble, L0ve, was charged with wounding with intent a month after a gun attack on men playing dominoes at a shop in his area. The identity of the boy has not been made public by the police. Reports from the L0ve police are that about 8 p.m. on January 9, a group of men were playing dominoes at a shop in Forest District, Rumble, when two armed individuals entered the premises, opened gunfire at the group, and then escaped. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, two people who were wounded were taken to hospital for treatment. On February 29, cops acting on information apprehended the 15-year-old boy and charged him after a question and answer session with his attorney and his guardian. A 16-year-old girl was shot dead by a man said to be her ex-boyfriend at her home in Little London, Westmoreland on Saturday. Another male who was talking to the teenager when the attack took place was also injured in the incident. The deceased has been identified as Anita Dennis of Grants Bush in the community. Reports from the police are that about 12:15 a.m., Dennis was on her veranda talking to a male when a man said to be her ex-boyfriend came to the location and pulled a gun and opened fire and then left the area. Residents who heard the gunshots alerted the police. A search was carried out of the area and Dennis and the male were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital where Dennis succumbed to her injuries and the male was admitted in hospital. Investigations are ongoing.